I'ma head out then.
They going to be.
Six DS18 EVL XX15s.
Yes, sir.
On 4 DS18 Hooligan KO AKs. Strap. A pair of amp strap for 3 subs.
Yeah.
At 133, so each amp's at 0.67.
Yes, sir. Finally get to see it in person.
We got a place from 14 to 31.
Okay. It'll work.
And this door is broke as shit.
Yeah, I was telling Debbie, I said, I don't know what he's going to do with that door over there.
We're gonna demo till that bitch falls off.
All you motherfuckers are gonna die. You dying every day, constantly. I kill myself right motherfucking now and still won't die. Train. Wicked clowns never die. What? Oh my.
Man, Jerry ain't loud. Y'all be sure to go and follow. Jerry ain't loud. Appreciate it, man. Jerry said we'll do it again, man. What's up, man? Still rolling? Yeah, you're still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.